guys, it's been a while. I just finished like 2 surgeries of my leg because it's broke. But anyways, I'll show you. It's probably gonna be in the description or I'll pop it up here somewhere. So I'm just gonna be painting this thing that I got. I'm gonna start repainting this. It's a little old and I got it. I just thought it'd be nice to just start fresh with this. I don't know, add my own sort of flair and style for it. I mean, it's good the way it is. I just want to see how it look if it's different. So I'm gonna use some gesso and go over it, and then afterwards I'll just like start doing different colors and stuff, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, I just finished my first coat of gesso, so here is the first one. It looks pretty good so far. I'm just gonna continue on doing the second coat, and then I'll show you it after. Alright, well, now I just finished the second coat of gesso. And it's all covered up, so I'm gonna start coloring it and painting it like just the way I think I want it to be something really cutesy, and I really like fruits and all that sort of stuff. So I'm gonna try doing that real quick. Alright, give me a second, let me get all the stuff ready. Okay, well, this is something. I tried to I'm trying to make like a I guess, well, you'd say like a strawberry sort of thing, and it's turning out kinda, it could be better. But you know what, it's all in the end product. It's all in the end game stuff. So I was gonna talk about how I just recently got finished with the second surgery not too long ago, a couple days ago, and it's been really hard dealing with the pain so far, but this is a really good way to keep that pain in check, really. Like, it's so, I love it so much. It's such like a stress reliever, just like doing this for myself, really. I just really like doing this. I do. It's giving me time to think about other things. And yeah, I'm not really doing this I'm just doing this just like because I wanna. And just want to see how it'll turn out. Hopefully it just like comes out better than expected. I'm hoping it does, but yeah, we'll see. I'll just putting on this coat, and then I have to finish it off later. But right now I'm trying to make this look like it's gonna have like a stem looking thing. It's gonna be like chocolate and sprinkles. You'll see in a bit. But I have a whole idea, and just a bit, and I wanted to share this with you all. So, alright. I'm just gonna finish up this body area here, and then at the end I'll go over with the smaller details, and I'll just like finish it up. Like, I'll just go in like to make sharper lines and everything like that, give it some highlights and all that, and finish it with maybe some varnish. I'm thinking about doing varnish. I'm not sure if I should, but yeah. Alright, see you in a sec. Hey guys, couple weeks later, I got to finish the whole entire thing. I'm sorry I didn't show you the whole process because I thought you guys would think it was boring doing the little details and the painting, all that, and I decided on adding the varnish, which is pretty nice. I didn't want to add too much stuff because I thought it would be a little distracting, but I added some ladybugs and all that, and I think it turned out way better than I had hoped, and I'm looking forward to doing more videos like this because I'm getting really into painting stuff over now, and really, like, just let me know if you guys want to see, like, the detailing, like, process too. I like, it takes a while, so just letting you know beforehand. But yeah, it turned out pretty alright. I think it turned out pretty alright, but yeah, just let me know, and see you guys. Thanks for watching.